Hi, first you go to this website, which is a text-to-image generator, unlimited. I will leave the link in the description and comment. Once on this page, just write the description of your image, and feel free to change the styles and try them out as much as you want. Click Generate and wait for to say the examples. I chose 12 examples. Feel free to choose more or less. To download the examples you like, click the heart button. Then click the Save to your device button. Now you are ready to make the magic in Photoshop.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.